Good day everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. What I have today is how I make this umbrella crochet umbrella top. It's very easy. It's something you can make yourself. Can you see how unique this is? Very beautiful and unique. All you need to do in this video is to watch this, take your time to watch this video to the end, and you will really learn, you will really gain at the end of it. If this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this channel. Here is a channel where you can learn a lot. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below and you click on the notification bell, then you are done. You have access to my videos. Thank you very much. This is the front aspect of this top. Can you see? So, why this is the back. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how I actually achieve this flay. Thank you very much. So we can go. So let's get started. Right now, this is the top, the half length of this top. So right now, in case you want, if you are just watching my video for the very first time, I have I've released a video on how to make this top up to this point. Just check my video, check my channel, you will see you will see it there. So right now, in order not to waste time, I'm going to start. So I'm going to insert my hook. So I'm going to remove this. So this is the last one. This is the last chain. I insert. Then I make a slip stitch. Can you see? So I'm going to chain one. So right now I'm going to turn it inward like so with single crochet. What I'm about to do right now is to make a buttonhole, and it's on my left hand side. So I'm going to take it through like so to the neckline, like that, round like that. Then here I will now make the button hole. So it's going to be two single crochet all through. Can you see? I insert in the next loop with single crochet. I proceed, single crochet. Can you see? Single crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I round it up to this point. Now, as you can see, I've got to the point where I'm going to fix my buttonhole. Can you see? With the single crochet I've just made round the neckline. Can you see? So right now, I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So having chained 4, I'm going to insert here. Can you see? With single crochet. Can you see my buttonhole? So I proceed. With single crochet. I proceed. Single crochet. Single crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up with the buttonhole. So as you can see, I've completed the buttonhole. Can you see? Now, having got to this point, I slip stitch and I take it round to the side here with single crochet. So from here, I'm going to proceed. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the same loop right here with double crochet. Can you see? Then another one. So I have 3 in a single loop. So I proceed into the next loop, double crochet, next, double crochet. So I insert into the next loop where I'm going to make 3 double crochet in this single loop. Can you see? So I proceed, next loop, double crochet, then next loop, double crochet. Can you see? 3 double crochet in a single loop, then 2 double crochet in each of the loops, then 3 double crochet, then double crochet in each of the 2 loops. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now, as you can see, I've got to the end of the side of this round. So right now, I'm going to insert into this loop here. I insert like this where I make a slip knot. Where I make I slip stitch. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I insert into the second loop with double crochet. In this second loop, this is where I will be making 2 double crochet. Can you see? In the second loop. So I proceed into the next loop. Sorry, in this second loop I will be making 5 double crochets. Already I have 2, so I insert, 3, 4, 5. So right now I'm going to chain 1. Having chain 1, I'm going to skip these 2 loops. Remember, I have 2 double crochet interval. Then I move into the first loop right here. The first loop of the 3 double crochet which I made. So in this first loop I will be making, in the second loop, 5 double crochets. So I move to the second loop, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So I chain 1, I skip these 2 loops, 1, 2, and I skip the first loop of the 3 double crochet in a single row. I move to the mid loop, that is the center loop. where I will also make 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in each of the 3 double crochet in a loop, at the base, the center loop is where I mount this 5 double crochet. The center of the 3 double crochet, can you see the center of it is where I map this, and that is how I'm going to take it round till I get to this place. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see up to the side? So right now I'm going to make a slip stitch. I insert into the first loop right here. I make a slip stitch. I move on to the second loop. I move to the second loop where I make another slip stitch. Sorry. So right now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So in this second loop, this is where I'm going to make another double crochet, making 2. So I proceed into the next loop with double crochet. Then I proceed into the next loop, double crochet, next double crochet. Then the last loop here, I'm going to make 2 double crochet. That is on my left hand side, 2 double crochet. So right now I chain 1. So I skip this first loop, I move into the second loop. Sorry, I move into the first loop right here. I leave this first loop, I move into the second loop, sorry, with double crochet. So in this second loop I will also make 2 double crochet, and I proceed. Then this is the last loop, I make 2 double crochet. I chain 1, I skip the first loop here, I move into the second loop. I'm making 2 double crochet in this loop, can you see? Then I proceed single crochet across the other loops. Then the last loop here, I will also make 2 double crochet. Can you see? This is how I'm going to go till I round it up. Now as you can see, I've almost got to the point of the conclusion, almost the conclusion of this tutorial, but I need to clarify something. You look at it critically. By the time, let's count from the base, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this, is the 5th line. If you look at this 5th line, I made a reduction. I reduce starting from the 5th, depending on what you want anyway. You could start yours from the 6th, but I started from the 5th. So like that, the reduction started from the 5th up to this end. So, and that is what is applicable to all round the row. So right now I'm going to make a slip stitch. haven't completed it. So right now I'm going to chain one. I chain one. So I insert into the first loop right here where I make a slip stitch. Can you see? I insert into the second loop for another slip stitch. So bring it out like so. So can you see? Can you see how full this play is? So I proceed from there while I round it up. Alright, so far so good. I've come to the end of this tutorial. Here is my product, my crochet flay top. Can you see how neat and nice this top is? So I want to believe that it's something you can make yourself. All you need to do is to practice. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share out this video. You like this video and subscribe and make comments. For those of you that have not subscribed my channel, this is an avenue for you to subscribe immediately. Don't postpone. Subscribe. By the time you subscribe, you will really gain from this channel. Thank you very, very much. So don't forget to drop your comments as regards this video. I want to see your comments. Thank you very much. Thank you. I want to appreciate you all for always being there. Thank you so much. Thank you. So till I come your way again, bye for now.